something for like to go inside the shelving, inside the drawer that you guys see where I like just recently got rid of a lot of palettes. Oh, look at these. These might be good for like mine. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do with the brushes, but the other little stuff that's in there, maybe just to sit inside it. Those are cute. Yeah, anything like this. Even though I feel like I can get this at the Dollar Tree for like $1. But I like the kind of the depth. But it's something maybe not any bigger than this. So. But I really like how flat these are. We shall see. So here's the acrylic drawer section. And I actually am really liking these. Not really liking the price though. Like this here, we get two for $13.99. You guys see that? They're probably like, what the heck is she doing? So yeah, I'm still deciding what I want to use. I kind of like these too. I'm just getting some ideas. Alright, I hit the jackpot, guys. I finally found the section I was looking for. Like everywhere in the store feels like, and then I found just stumbled across it. So these are like the different little makeup organizers. So this one's really cute for like lipstick. It's $9.99, so it's also a good price. Okay, I'm gonna assume that that guy behind me was staring at me. I'm just trying to show you guys. I'm not trying to be super loud either, but they're playing all this Christmas music in here already. But yeah, I'm really happy because I've been looking for like a lipstick organizer, so this is exactly where I need it to be. Alright. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just get one big one and then two of the small ones for starters, just to see how they do. So I can put my palettes in this really big clear one, and then my other little miscellaneous items that I have on the side can go in these other two containers. And then I'll see how many I need from there. So, oh, we're 19. These may be cool just to sit certain stuff inside. Just wonder if they'll be too tall for the drawer. But I like the price point. These are $2.99 for the big ones. Not bad at all. That's pretty big. So it's gonna have to decide when to organize it. But I may end up just getting these and seeing how they work out. Okay, so in that clip, you guys see me out. I was shopping at the container store, probably heard me say. And I just want to kind of show you guys what I implemented. So that's how part 3 is really going to go. Just you to kind of see how I ended up using all of the items that was just mentioned. So it's not going to be a real long video, but I did want to give you guys a little bit of an update. So you guys seen me, we'll start with the top when I was kind of organizing all that other stuff. So here is like, I got a band-aid on my finger, y'all, but here's the, you know, nail polishes. I got some eyeshadows and some lippies. I kind of just left those in there. And then inside the drawers are all of my little nail products. And then the bottom drawer is just going to be lipsticks. I'll go ahead and open this up for you guys so you can see. So that's just more lippies. And I swear I don't need to buy anything else because I didn't even realize I had this many lip products. So then I used this cute little container that I purchased from Target a long time ago that was buried in all the clutter to just store some hair ties, hair bows, just little random miscellaneous things just to keep that kind of stuff a little more organized. And this is just a super cute little thing by Sonia Kashik, a little holder or whatever. And then as you can see in the container store, this is the one item that I had picked up. This is perfect because it holds my little vanity mirror on top of there. And on the front, I just have my new Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. And no, I did not haul this, but I did end up buying it. I haven't even used it yet. And then this is another item that I purchased from the oh my god, stuff is dropping. Excuse me, y'all. So this is all my foundations. I was able to kind of storm in this little cute container that I got from the Container Store. So yeah, the Container Store was my best friend because all this stuff that I ended up purchasing, I think it ended up coming up to like under $20. So yes. And then for my brushes, which I was so excited about, I finally was able to do the little stand-up brush conundrum thingy, Bob, I don't know what it's called. But yeah, I was able to go ahead and do that. And then this is like all my little items that I use on a daily. So this is like my setting sprays, my contact solution, holder for my contacts, deodorant, you know, so your girl don't be musty. And then I have my light. And I just have my little palette and my Anastasia Glow Kit that I tend to reach for on a daily. So that's the top. So y'all, wait till y'all see the inside. Y'all gonna be so proud of me. So proud of me. So look at the inside of this. Remember how it looked before, y'all? I'm gonna insert a little clip. But as you can see before, that's how it looked. So now I use all, well, this doesn't even open any wider, but I use all those little containers I was showing y'all at the Container Store. They were so perfect. I was almost scared they weren't gonna fit. But in here, this is where I just put up, this is where I said like the brushes that couldn't go inside of the little sand thing that I made. And then these are all my makeup wipes in here. If you can see like some little cleaner wipes. This is like kind of like the cleaning area. And then I have a couple palettes that didn't fit inside of this tray. And then this is like all eye stuff. This is just like a whole tray full of eye stuff. This is these are all my setting powders. I wasn't even able to fit them anywhere, but again, it's just such a huge difference. These are all my concealers. Put that back. And then I have a miscellaneous one. Well, I was looking for you. Sorry, y'all. Because I could not find it for nothing. And you know, it's weird for me not being able to find something now that I've organized everything. So then lastly here, this is just, again, like I kind of just put my powders in the middle here because I was running out of space. This is just like a miscellaneous drawer, the catch-all little, not drawer, catch-all tray. So it just has like, let me see, crochet needle, whatever this is, I don't even know. But it was unopened, so I didn't get rid of it. Okay, and this stuff like that. And again, this is just my airspun powder, my Beauty Bakery flour powder. And then this is just my bronzer, my Holy Grail bronzer, my only bronzer that I own, I believe. This is just a Bite Beauty kit. So yeah, just little stuff is in here now, but it is just way more organized. I can find stuff. I'm not, it's just such an improvement. I'm so proud of myself with this. And then moving on. Wait, this is moving on. There we go. Moving on to this section over here with my perfumes and stuff. So yeah, I just went ahead and I purchased 2 of these mirrors here from the Dollar Tree. I use this side here to just to display my perfumes temporarily. It's just kind of a lazy setup for right now. This is just a candle that I bought, and then like my Bath and Body Works and that kind of stuff, I separated the two. So that's the top shelf. And then this is the one tray that I was kind of cleaning out. So now as you could see, it only has like some cleaner in the back. It has lotion, a little bit of facial products in here. Actually, a lot of facial products in here. This is kind of looking like it's like facial products and just like removers and stuff. And then I purchased these cute little buckets where I'm just storing like my extra setting spray, my alcohol, which I can't find the top two, don't judge me. Some edge control, makeup remover. But these are just super cute little buckets that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. And then this is an Inglot bag that I had planned to kind of maybe put some flowers in or something. I just love this blue color. And the way I kind of wanted, well, the scheme I'm going for in my room is like a black, white, and this color blue. I really want that to stand out. So I decided to go ahead and keep this as a decorative piece. So I'm just sitting that in the back right there for a second. These are just some thumbtacks that I never moved. Oh well. And then on this set, this part, I have, there's another one of these catalogs that has some tape in it that I really could use for when I'm shipping my packages, but that's another story. Just like a little catch-all container. This I got from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to just use for like my beauty blenders and stuff like that. And right now they just have some sponges in there. I have an obsession with like decorative bags and stuff, so that's just a Sephora bag. I love the black and white scheme. Black and white is my color. And then on the bottom, this is a container that I got from a store that we have here in Ohio called Marks. Can't wait to use this. I'm gonna probably just put my nail polishes in there and get that part cleaned up a little bit. This was just such a cute box that I just wanted to have it as a decorative piece. And then this is just my travel makeup bag that's silver. It just happened to match. So yeah, really, really, really excited that it is finally coming together. But I want to go ahead and just show you guys what I ended up doing, because I know you guys are probably wondering, like, it's part 3, I don't see anything. So yeah, this is kind of the look that it has. Oh, excuse that part, right? That little bottom part. But yeah, it's coming together, guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning into these videos. I really appreciate it. I will see you in the next video where I will be doing my part 1 and part 2. I'm going to go ahead and just combine it of my Sephora VIB sale. I'm going to show you guys what I picked up online and in store. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.